Hello and welcome to Simple Spoken English with Noel. In today's episode, we will learn how to speak English when checking in at a hotel. This story-based lesson will teach you useful phrases for hotel check-in conversations, how to ask about room details and services, common English vocabulary like reservation, passport, and key card. We'll follow Liam as he checks in at the hotel he booked. You'll hear real-life phrases and learn how to use them confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Checking in at the hotel, Liam walked into the Grand View Hotel with his suitcase. The lobby was bright and welcoming, with soft music playing in the background. He walked up to the reception desk, where a friendly receptionist greeted him.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the City View Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My name is Liam Parker.
Let me check. Could you please show me your ID or passport?
Sure. Here's my passport. The receptionist typed Liam's name into the computer.
Here it is. You booked a double room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Your room is on the 3rd floor, room 305. Here is your key card. You can use it to access your room and other hotel facilities.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Perfect. Also, is there Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi. The network name and password are on this card.
Thank you. One more thing. Where is the elevator?
It's just to your left. Enjoy your stay.
Liam smiled and headed to the elevator. As he reached his room, he swiped the key card and entered. The room was clean and comfortable, with a beautiful view of the city. Now let's practice. How would you ask about breakfast times? What would you say if your reservation wasn't found? Have you ever stayed in a hotel? What was your experience like? Write your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to practice these phrases out loud.